Bose International Projects Private Limited now introduces a revolutionary methodology of subsoil investigation and producing permanent data in 3D. The technology is titled as Ground Penetrating Radar Technology or GPR technology. GPR is a geophysical method that uses high-frequency pulsed electromagnetic waves, generally 10 MHz to 2 GB, to acquire subsurface information. The development of GPR methodology permitted to solve the problem of non-invasive and non-destructive subsoil investigation. Similarly, geophysical techniques permit to characterize geologic and soil condition along the route and contribute to the engineering of the project. This unique array of radar system is designed to support Nordic technology. GPR system is modular and works with multi-frequency antennas. The system allows the operator to obtain an accurate 3D cartographic map showing all the pipes, cable, both metallic and non-metallic, and the ground analysis. Specialized software is used to analyze the information and generate the reports in numerics and graphical format. GPR system offers the following enormous benefits for us: high-speed data acquisition and positioning, high-quality assurance, and also cost-effective. GPR has multi-purpose system to avoid accidents, damages to existing utilities, prolonged traffic and service interruption, etc. Application areas of GPR. GPR system is used in civil engineering for site characterization, tunnel investigation, bridge and text inspection. This system has a wide application in transport engineering and pavement evaluation. It is used for the analysis of the 3D view of the railway ballast and sub-ballast and lower layers thickness evaluation from the surface to several meters of depth. Concrete railway base integrity inspection is achieved by the system. Through this system, we also get the information of asphalt layer thickness, delamination, distribution, characterization in motorways and airport runways. This system is also used in utility detection under airport runways. GPR is used for gravel sublayer trend evaluation, detection of voids, sinkholes, air bubbles, and determination of decline inside the different layers. It is also applied in geological and environmental sector for subsoil classification, layering, segmentation, groundwater studies, bedrock location, mineral exploration, etc. In the field of archaeology and cultural heritage, GPR is used in exploration in new archaeological sites, detection of cavities, press-course investigation, etc. Ground penetrating radar is expertise in forensic studies, police and security investigations, unexploded ordnance detection. add more value to HDD services and Indian Infrastructure Development Program, BIPPL is now launching the most contemporary and advanced GPR technology in the Indian subcontinental market. Bose International Projects Private Limited, dedicating contemporary global technologies in service to the nation.